Hello once again, and welcome back to Rail Trail Queensland. First, we had Mobitech Z-Edit 32, which is your sort of base standard destination software. Piece of piss, really. Then we had Mobi Info Edit, which gave us a lot more flexibility for a lot more programming. And now we've got the last horseman of the Desto software, Hanover Helen. Look at that. This is Hanover Helen version 3.3. Now I was in the operations van not too long ago for work and discovered that the latest version of Hanover Helen is 3.11. So this is not ridiculously outdated, but it's still by fact outdated. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be creating both bus and train destination boards, considering both use Hanover destinations or their partner company Luminator. So we're going to be loading up a city train networking file. As you can see, I've already done a couple little ones here and there. I'll delete that one. That one's pretty shit. But I'll give you the rundown on what they look like. So obviously this is your blank desto. If you're running Deadhead, that works too. But then we've got Happy New Year from Hua, which I thought was pretty cute. Tennyson, Caboolture, Mitchelton. So this is 110% the software they use for EMU, SMU rolling stock. So take it easy, take a train. That's another one as well. But we'll be creating another one as well. So we're going to be pulling up a network map and then placing a random guess on what station we're going to be doing. So here we have the most up-to-date Southeast Queensland train, busway and tram map. So down the left here we've got Cleveland, and then up the top Shorncliffe, Kippering, Gympie North, Rosewood, Springfield, Varsity Lakes, Beenleigh and Ferny Grove. We're just going to choose a completely random desto to do. We're going to choose a fun one as well. So we might do the Ferny Grove line. So if I remember correctly, I'm not too sure on this one. If anyone has a complete EMU, SMU destination list, please let me know. The Ferny Grove line has two or three destinations. So obviously Ferny Grove is top pick. I know Mitchelton is another one as well. And I believe, pardon me, and I believe Newmarket may also be another one as well. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll create that anyways. So when I create a new destination, our destination, I like to keep my destinations fairly simple, as with the destination codes in the top corner here. So we've got 0010, obviously with running codes for trains and stuff like that. One being the second code is Dackerman to Caboolture. So us doing Ferny Grove, we'll do 00E1 with E being Ferny Grove. Driver's message is Ferny Grove. So this is where it gets interesting in sign 0, because this is where you would, for a bus, this is where you would type your route number and your destination, and down here would be your via your mum's house or something like that, I don't know. But we're not doing that. We're not doing buses right now. We're doing trains. So we want to scroll down to preset 3, preset 3, Super X. Super X is important, and I'll show you why. Because if we have that off, and we type Ferny Grove, Ferny Grove, and hit OK, message ID already exists. Oh, of course, because we've got Mitchelton. So E2. So I forgot I did Mitchelton. And hit OK. That's kind of what it looks like. Looks kind of shit, not going to lie. So we're going to hit edit signs, and we're going to Super X this mother. So if we hit Super X, we kind of get this weird sort of Logan Coaches type font here. You just want to scroll up 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's your train desto. Now you can change it to anything. So we can have, for example, the old Samford line. If we want Samford on there, wham you ran. Oops. Wham, you ran. Yeah, I spelled that right. Maybe not. Wham, you ran. Even Bow Desert if you wanted to. Desert. Oops, I can't even type. But is it? Something as simple as that. It's pretty substandard. However, Brisbane Airport's a custom one. Because if we edit this one, edit signs. With the existing Brisbane Airport destination, you have to extend the B and the A. Because if you take, I'll show you what it looks like when it's all just typed out. So that's kind of what it looks like when you type it out. However, you just want to extend the B as such. Just get rid of that and that. So extend the B and add another one on top of the A. That's literally what you do. So we're going to do bus destinations now, which is probably going to be really hard. I've struggled with this as well, so I'm not 100% going to assume it's going to work. So file, new. We want to go into our Hanover rail bus. Yes. All right. So we're going to have an external LED. And I don't know the width and height. I need to get onto my boss about that. But for realism purposes, I'm going to hit 190. 144 by 32. So select standard fonts. So these are your standard fonts, and these are which ones are available. There's a lot available right now. Big Bus 19. Haha. Right. So width and height's exactly the same. We're going to have our jurisdiction on the right, which I do believe Brisbane buses have it on. I'll have to double check that for quality and training purposes. Right is correct. We have the number facing the gutter. So hit OK. We can hit a new sign. And now this is our front sign. So we're going to have our destination. Look, we might just do a simple out of service. So 0002. Not in service. And then because this is only a single desto, we're just going to hit not in service. I'm not sure if Super X works with this, but we'll have a look. It does not. So we're going to edit that, edit signs, turn off Super X, and then have our font selection. So I'm still trying to figure out how everything works. Whoa, that's not correct. We can select our font through here. So you want something big, but not too big. Something like that. So when we preview it, simple not in service. So if we create a new one, it's going to be 6120. Sorry, 6122. Driver's message, Corinda, all stations. Oh, we ran out. Corinda, all. So, at the top, R612. Up top, Corinda. Bottom, all stations. You see this kind of looks a little bit weird, so we can edit that. We want our red here. We want our number to be bigger than our destination. So we're going to select our yellow. Then we're going to hit that a little lower. So we want it to be noticeable, but nothing too ridiculous. So we've got 09, 09, 008, and N1E1. So back to 09, 08, N1E1. Grinder, all stations, and we can raise this up. There we are. So if we preview, whoa. That was a horrible plan. Why did I do that? That's just getting bigger, isn't it? What is that? 15, 10. Just like that. So we can preview. Crinder, all stations, 612. Which I don't think I saved. So that's pretty much Hanover Helen. It's painfully simple to use. You can do pretty much anything. And I'm working on doing the entire city train network. But until then, I'll see you later. Thank you for watching. And then if I find something else to do on this channel, I'll probably do it.